Welcome to our tutorial on how to add effects to your video calls on Messenger using your PC. Follow these simple steps to enhance your video call experience. Step 1. Begin by navigating to messenger.com on your web browser. Step 2. Open a Messenger conversation with the contact you wish to video call. Step 3. Click on the video call icon within the conversation window to initiate the call. Step 4. Once your call is connected and you are in the video call interface, locate the option to add effects to your face. This is usually represented by a smiley face icon or similar. Step 5. Click on the face icon to reveal a pop-up menu. From this menu, select the Effects option. Step 6. Explore the various effects available by clicking different options. You can choose from a range of filters, animations, and virtual backgrounds to add a fun and creative touch to your video call. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate effects into your Messenger video calls on your PC, making your conversations more engaging and entertaining. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you enjoy experimenting with different effects on your Messenger video calls. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.